You searched for free Roblox clothes, but found nothing? Well, don't worry. In this video, I will show you 5 cool games where you can get free Roblox clothes. Before I show you, do like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get some cool Roblox clothes. Search for Metaverse Champions Hub and join the game with this logo. As soon as you load in the game, you will get this badge. This badge means that you got the item. In your avatar, you will see these for cool outfits. Our second game is Roblox Innovation Awards 2023. On joining, you will get the first item. But wait, there are 2 more items. Go to this huge Roblox logo and wait for the badge to appear. For the last item from this game, rejoin the game and you will see the badge appear. Look how my bacon is shining in this blue outfit and on this t-shirt. Make sure to grab yours now. Our third game is Connect 23 Hub. In this game, you have to collect the missing letter. Make sure you don't skip this part so that you don't miss the locations. For the last missing letter, you have to play the freeze tag mini-game. Once you are in the mini-game, go to this sandcastle and collect the missing letter. And there you go, cool black t-shirt waiting in your inventory. This is the black t-shirt I was talking about.
So nice.
Our fourth game is Roblox Learn Experience. Once you are here, go here and claim these 3 free items. You will get this. I don't know what this is and these 2 extra free items. Lastly, join this game. Here, you have to collect the missing letter. Follow me for all the locations. I forgot, the last missing letter is in the lobby. Here's the last one. Free items stay right into your inventory. You will get this sick jacket. Comment down if you want part 2 and I will see you guys in the next video.